Hey, are you looking for a doorbell camera that doesn't require a subscription? Got you one right here. I got gifted this smart video doorbell by MUBVIEW. It's wireless, Wi-Fi, outdoor, and waterproof. Let's get it opened up, and I'll show you what you get, and then we're going to get it hooked up. We'll see how good the quality is. So stick around. Our user manual here. Camera itself, really nice and solid feeling. You have your doorbell here and your camera here. This is the housing for it. This is what you're going to mount on the wall near your door. This will sit in there basically. Actually, it'll go this way. It's like that. It's going to be like that, actually. Has the hood part over your lens. It does come with some batteries I see down there. 3 AA batteries. There's your charging wire and your hardware to get this mounted up on the wall. And your receiver here. This is when somebody rings your doorbell, it will play the ringtone or the doorbell sound through here. Your batteries will go in the back right here. It does have different ringtones, if you will. We'll go over those in just a moment. You can charge this right here if you have rechargeable batteries, or you can run it directly off a USB-C power cord. Let me bring the camera up a little closer and I'll show you a closer view of everything. This is model Bell J7 Smart Video Doorbell. Okay, right here is your lens, and it is motion sensing. So if somebody walks up or something moves in front of the sensor, it will send a notification to your phone, and it will record a brief video recording. Right down here is the button to activate the doorbell. Over here on the side is your USB-C charging port. Starts to run low, you can plug it in and get it charged up. This battery is going to last quite some time. I was just looking here in the book, and it does say it has a 145-degree view angle. It is IP65, so it will handle the outdoor elements. Over here on the back, it does have a tamper alarm. This little button right here, it pushes in when you put it in the mount here. And if somebody tries to take this off and you have that turned on in the app, it will send a signal that it is being tampered with. Now the charge on this is supposed to last about 180 days. Over here on this side, you have your on and off button right up there at the top, a reset button, and a micro SD card slot right there on the bottom. You can put a micro SD card in here. Right here on the bottom is your screw to attach to here. You basically set it in like that, and then put a screw right there. So basically, mount that to your wall, put that in there, and put your screw from the bottom. All right, we're going to get the batteries put in our doorbell receiver. Okay, right here on the top, you have your doorbell selector, the tone selector basically, and your middle button is your volume, and then you have a settings button right here on the bottom of there. You can change it. Have 4 different settings. All there is to that. Not sure if we have power in here or not, but we will find out. I'm going to go get it mounted up, and I will show you what it looks like, and then we'll take a look at the app. The QR code to download the app is in your instruction manual here. You can just download that onto your phone, and you'll be good to go. So let me go get this mounted up, and we'll see how good the quality looks. Stick around. Okay, I decided to go ahead and install the app before we go mount this, so we'll be ready to go. So you'll want to just go to your book here, scan the QR code, and it'll open it up on your phone. Okay, once you get it opened up, hit install. You'll have to sign up for an account. Hit open. And from here, you can set up an account. Just hit sign up now, unless you already have an account. Okay, on the back of your doorbell, you will have a QR code, and you'll just want to scan that. You hit scan code to add. Start scanning. And there we have it.
Please follow the instruction manual to power on the device. Press the bell button and tap Next. Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red.
1, 2, 3. There we go. Hit next.
Tap the button below. Connect to the device's Wi-Fi access point. Afterwards, return to the app. Select the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Please remove all film from the lens. Tap Next to show a QR code, and let your device scan the code. Keep
Okay.
connecting. Please wait a moment.
We'll see. Okay. And successful. Next. And we'll click done. Okay, it says install to the door at the appropriate height.
Put camera and phone at the place of camera installation. Press Next to enter network diagnostic.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and unplug this and go mount this and then put the camera in place and hit next. Now we will hit next. And there we are. Hello. We have a strong signal. Now you can go ahead and check for updates if you'd like. Current version, latest version. So we are up to date. Back to home page. Now you can subscribe to the cloud storage if you'd like. Like I said, you can put an SD card in there. And there we have it. That is all there is to it. And then you have your different settings here. And we're in the live view mode. And it does have two-way talking. I don't know if you can... Hello? You can hear it. It's got a good microphone in it. And you can record directly from your phone and it'll save it to your phone. Motion detection, you can set your motion detection. Turn that on. You select your sensitivity and your different settings there. You have the tamper alarm, that little button on the back of the doorbell that I showed you earlier. That's where you can turn that on and off. You turn that down. This car is going down the road. And siren and album. Yeah, we'll give another notification here so you can see what it looks like. You have your tips. You receive an alarm message. So if you have that off, you can just pull that down. There you go. And you can see what was going on. I know there are other choices that you can make. Some of them require subscriptions, though. This one, there's no subscription required. And it works. I know people who have the big name one, we'll just say that they pay a monthly subscription. These work just as good. It will get the job done, and I don't think you'll have any issues at all. So if you're looking for a doorbell camera, you may want to check this one out. It may be just what you're looking for. If you'd like to read more about it and possibly order one, I'll put a link down in the description so you can do so. And if you got any kind of value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. And I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.